Okay, our next case study is question number 37, and it's given that the data about the India Meteorological Department observes the seasonal and annual rainfall every year in different subdivisions of our country, and it helps them to compare and analyze the results. And the given below is the table which shows the subdivision wise season rainfall that is in millimeter in 2018. So it's given, the table is given. So if it's a rainfall, it's categorized as the class intervals and the number of subdivisions where we are getting these rainfalls. So based on the above information, we have to answer the following questions. We have to write the model class. Okay, and for the model class, we know that the model class is the one that has the highest frequency, and that's between rainfall is between 600 to 800, between for number of subdivisions that is 7. So our model class is 600 to 800. Now we have to find the median of the given data. So for finding the median of the given data, let's me find out the cumulative frequency first. So these are the class intervals: 200 to 400, 400 to 600, 600 to 800, and 800 to 1000, 1000 to 1200, 1200 to 1400, and 1400 to 1600, 1600 to 1800. Okay, and the frequency in this case is given as 2, 4, 7, 4, 2, 3, 1, 1. We have to find the median, so let's find out the cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 4 is 17, 2 is 19, 2 is 22, it's 23, and it's 24. So n by 2 is 12, and we get 12 after 6. So this is our median class. That is, our answer should lie between 600 and 800 for the median. And we know that the formula of median is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency upon F into H. So n is the lower limit of the median class, which is 600, n by 2 is 12, and the cumulative frequency is the cumulative frequency of the class, that is before the median class, the previous to the median class, which is 6, and frequency is 7 of the median class, and H is the class size, which is 200. So which gives us 600 plus 12 minus 6 is 6 by 7 into 200. So this is now 600 plus 1200 by 7. And if we divide 1200 by 7, so this gives us so or rather take let's take LCM. So this is LCM is 7 plus 4200 plus 1200, which is 5400 divided by 7 millimeter, and 5400 divided by 7 is it's 7 sevens are 49, and 14 minus 9 is 50. So 7 sevens are 49, 10, 7 ones are 7, 30, 4s are 28, and 20. So we can write it as 771.4 millimeter, which is within our the class interval of the median class. So this is the correct one. And we have also to find the mean rainfall in this season. So let's find out the mean rainfall. So for that, let me keep this class interval and take off these data. Okay. Now we are going to find out the mean rainfall in this season. So mean rainfall in this season can be calculated by any of the methods. Either you can use the direct or the step deviation or any of the methods. So let's try to find it out.